Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Zoom privacy and security settings step by step. Open your Zoom application, sign in with your credentials. On the main screen, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon to access the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the menu options. Once in the Settings menu, find the Privacy tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Privacy tab to view your privacy options. Review the settings listed under the Privacy section. Adjust any preferences according to your comfort level, such as allowing others to see your profile. Next, navigate to the Security tab within the Settings menu. Click on the Security tab to access security-related settings. Review features like needing passwords in waiting rooms. Toggle on the options you wish to enable for added security. Consider adjusting settings for screen sharing and participant permissions. Return to the main settings menu and select Video. Check settings related to participant video and host video preferences. Go to the audio settings to verify microphone and make sure all your audio settings enhance your communication security. Finally, close the settings window to save your changes. Your Zoom privacy and security settings are now updated. Always remember to periodically review these settings for any necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.